Before you spend your money on the Jetterix Pressure Washer, you might want to hear this because what's being advertised and what you actually get can feel like two very different things. The product is marketed as a simple tool that can magically transform your regular garden hose into a powerful pressure washer. But when you look at how it actually works, things start to make more sense. This device doesn't have a motor or any mechanism to increase water pressure, which means it simply relies on your home's existing water flow. And that's where the expectations need to be realistic. The term hydropower technology sounds impressive, but in reality, it's more of a marketing phrase than a functional innovation. What you're essentially getting is a nozzle attachment that can slightly adjust the way water is sprayed, not something that delivers the force of a real pressure washer. When it comes to cleaning, it can handle light dirt or dust, but tougher stains like oil marks or deep grime are a different story. Another thing to consider is how this product is presented online, with polished images, strong claims, and heavy discounts that create urgency, which can feel a bit exaggerated. It's also worth noting that similar nozzles are widely available at much lower prices under different names, which raises questions about its overall value. In the end, Jetterix isn't exactly a scam, but it also doesn't live up to the powerful image it promotes. So understanding what it truly offers can help you decide if it's actually worth it for your needs.